In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new URL redirect in HubSpot. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what each field means, and how to set up a redirect confidently without worrying about breaking anything on your site. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look at the very top of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button, and it's where most of the behind-the-scenes configuration lives. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu with a lot of different sections. Take your time here and scroll if you need to. Under the section called Tools, look for the option labeled Domains and URLs. Click on that, and the main panel on the right will update. Inside this Domains and URLs area, you'll notice several tabs across the top. One of these tabs is called URL Redirects. Click on the URL Redirects tab to open the redirect management page. This is where you'll see any existing redirects, and it's also where you'll add new ones. Now, look towards the top right corner of this page for a button labeled Add URL Redirect. When you click this button, a drawer or side panel will slide in from the right side of the screen. This is the form where you'll configure your new redirect. In this drawer, the first thing you'll do is choose a redirect type. You'll usually see options such as standard or flexible. A standard redirect is often used when you have a specific one-to-one redirect from a single URL to another single URL. A flexible redirect is more useful if you're handling patterns or multiple variations, but if you're unsure, starting with a standard redirect is typically the safest choice. Next, you'll paste the original URL into the field labeled Original URL. This is the URL that people are currently visiting and that you want to redirect away from. Make sure you copy it exactly, including any subfolders or paths so visitors don't end up on a broken page. Then, in the field labeled Redirect to, paste the destination URL. This is the page where you want people to land instead. Double check that this URL is correct and live, so the redirect sends visitors to the right place. Once you've chosen the redirect type and filled in both URLs, scroll down to the bottom of the drawer and click the Add URL Redirect button to save your changes. HubSpot will then create the redirect for you. And that's it. Your new URL redirect is now set up and ready to use.